A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Some years after the martyrdom of Hazrat Fatima Zahra, Imam Ali expressed his desire to his brother Aqil bin Abu Talib to marry a woman of a brave tribe. Hazrat Aqil was very knowledgeable in tribe genealogy, and he immediately proposed the name of Hazrat Fatima bint Hazam bin Khalid, and the marriage took place soon after. Much earlier, during 8 AH, Imam Ali had been given the prophecy by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, of a brave son who would be martyred alongside his brother Imam Hussain on the day of Ashura. Ever since then, Imam Ali had been waiting for the birth of that son, which came in the person of Hazrat Abbas. The woman who bore and brought up that hero, Hazrat Abbas, the standard bearer of Imam Hussein's army, was Baneen. She was the daughter of Hazam bin Khalid and wife of Imam Ali. She was from the courageous family of Bani Kallab. Her maiden name was Fatima, but when she bore Imam Ali 4 sons, she was called Baneen, mother of sons. Baneen had such sincerity towards the Holy Prophet's progeny that she loved Imam Hussain and Imam Hassan more than her own children, a feeling which was from the bottom of her heart. Just before Imam Hussain left Medina, Baneen summoned all her 4 sons and said to them, "My sons, you must remember that while I love you, Imam Hussain is your master. If Imam or his sisters or his children get injured or hurt while you are still alive, I will never forgive you." There were tears in Hazrat Abbas's eyes as he promised his mother that he and his brothers would lay down their lives for Imam Hussain and his children. Later, during the event of Karbala, Shimr approached Hazrat Abbas and his brothers. You see, the tyrant Shimr and Hazrat Abbas were cousins from his mother's side. Shimr wanted to protect Hazrat Abbas and his brothers and also eliminate the strongest warriors in Imam Hussein's camp. So he promised safety from certain death and torture if the brothers switched sides and fought for Ibn Ziyad. But Hazrat Abbas and his brothers were not ordinary men. They were the sons of Baneen. They were taught from birth to give their life for Imam Hussain and the Ahlul Bayt. They were taught to risk anything for Allah and the holy household of Prophet Muhammad. They immediately refused and cursed Shimr for even thinking of such a thing. After the arrival of Imam Sajjad and Hazrat Zainab in Medina, Hazrat Baneen used to continuously gather women in her house and narrate to them how Imam Hussain and his companions were martyred by Yazidi forces in Karbala. Hazrat Baneen was a great poetess, and she is considered as the first Noha or poetry reciter for the martyrdom of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. She used to visit the famous Jannatul Baqi cemetery in Medina and recite her Nohas in a very sad voice that everybody present there used to weep bitterly. She transformed the Jannatul Baqi cemetery in Medina as the center of azadari of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. The Nohas recited by Hazrat Baneen for the martyrdom of Imam Hussain alayhi salam are recorded in history and are considered as masterpieces in Arabic literature.